Hello, a very special hello to the youth. This is Shubhankar with me
Hi everybody.
in Youth and Mind Power. These videos are specially made only for youth. You are in a moldable stage. You can actually practice what we are going to be talking about. Today, we talk about one of the strongest character attributes which is very, very rare to find. That is truthfulness. Theoretically, one has heard about truthfulness right since childhood. When the mother slaps, such bolo. And we just take it like that. How many have actually followed? Ask yourself how truthful you are.
Actually, sir, I think truthfulness is the first casualty to most children becoming teenagers. When they start having secrets, when they start wanting to go for parties, wanting to do things that their parents would not give them permission for, but they decide to do it anyway.
Yeah, see, that's exactly the problem with truth. When a child is growing up, for a child, he realizes is pretty soon in life that as soon as he speaks truth, he is not going to get it, or the things are going to go exactly the opposite way.
Yeah.
Who is responsible for this sort of a trait that a child develops? We elders are responsible for not encouraging truth, and we only give it a theoretical brush.
Yeah.
When I talk about truthfulness, I'm looking into your eyes and I'm telling you, I'm in my 61 years of age. I still remember maybe I was 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, around that age, when not having done something but being accused of having done something and the corporal punishment by my father, I would take the beating, stand at one place, I would not move. I would say I did not do it. I still distinctly remember that. Somehow, over a period of time in my childhood, I started realizing no, let it be anything, I will not lie. At 61, today when I'm talking to you, I can proudly tell you that I have followed that path of truthfulness. Very rarely will people follow. As soon as you take this path, there are certain things you have to know in life will happen to you. And whatever I'm going to tell you now, if you take them seriously, you can actually take a decision whether you want to follow this path or not. Truth will never give you a promotion, it will never give you anything material. It may only give you not achieving whatever you wanted to. It may only result in you not being able to do what you want to, which means that everything that you do, when you speak truth, ultimately it is going to result in pain. There is something truth will give you. It gives you that courage to look into the eyes and talk. And let me give you assurance. When a senior knows that this guy only talks truth and nothing else, he has no courage to look into your eyes. I have derived my pleasure in life out of this one feeling of discomfort I can give to everyone. Or if I am standing somewhere and if I am talking, when I look into the eyes of people, anyone who has been my superior, my senior, not being able to even look into my eyes, and there are times when things have taken place where a senior who has lied has never even eye locked with me. To me, this was more than sufficient. Anything material in nature, anything intangible, which benefit I could have got, I have simply given it up. I have not reached where people with my sort of a professional qualification would have reached. I have not reached there. I left the things because I knew at a particular point in life that beyond this, if I have to carry on, so the only way out is to leave truthfulness. I did not. Today, when Shubhankar sits here, he is as old as my son. He has seen me for 3 years. Today, he will vouch, no, this man doesn't lie. At the cost of his own personal pain and trouble, he doesn't lie.
Which is true. I've
Yes.
seen it myself. And sir, to that point that you were making about how painful it is to not lie, I think one of the biggest examples that we have in our Indian society is that of Mahabharata. You simply have to examine Yudhishthir's life. How he was known as Dharmaraj, he never lied. The Kaurav army would come to him and ask him, and they knew that he would never even lie to them, despite being an enemy. He spent so many years in exile with the Pandavas. What did they get out of being on the right path? They got those 14 years of misery, 13 years of exile. They had to fight a war, at the end of which they got something. The only thing they had on their side was truthfulness. But it came at what cost? It came at cost of immense personal pain. And that's what we still see today, that wherever there's a person in an organization or even in families who only speaks truth, he is treated as an outcast. There was a time where when I was at my last job in the corporate firm, there was a team that I joined. The first day that I joined the team, the manager realized somebody had screwed up the deliverable to the client, and he simply said, "Look, guys, we have made a mistake. Let's keep it quiet. Nobody is going to notice it. The client is not going to notice it. Our senior manager is not going to notice it. So let's just keep everything quiet, and we'll just let things pass." Being my first day, I had no clue what he was talking of. So I asked someone who had been on the team for a while. Once he explained to me the extent of what he was talking about, I was simply shocked. But then this was how things ran in the company. And this is how things run across companies.
No, I get your point. See, whether you are talking about Mahabharata, whether we are talking about today's company, see, at the end of the day, it is you and me. What you have to realize, when you talk about strength of character, what does strength of character mean? It means that sort of inner confidence that you have in your conduct. Inner confidence comes when you know that there is none else who can actually catch you or point something at you.
Yeah.
That will not happen when you, as a nature, you are truthful.
Yeah.
Whether you are at job, whether you have done a small mistake, or whether you are at home and you are living with your parents, or you are staying with your wife and you are with your children, there are times when you want to lie because what will the children think?
Sir, if I may interject, a small example from my own youth. When I was in college, there were so many of my friends who would go out for parties, who would go out for clubbing, who would go out for evenings out without telling their parents or by misleading their parents. The reason I did not have an active social life when I was in college compared to those people was that I was just not ready to lie. For me, the baseline was I would not do something incorrect that places me in a position that I will have to lie, that places me in a vulnerable position. So I would just rather give it up rather than lie and get what I want to. The things changed for me once I moved out, because now I am living under my own roof. I am not answerable to anyone. I am answerable to myself, which means that I do whatever I want to do. I go out alone, I do whatever. But those initial periods, those formative years were very important for me to sort of set myself on this path of truthfulness.
Yes, see, it's not difficult. Remember one thing, there's only one thing of character which will never go out of fashion, that is truthfulness.
Yeah.
What I was talking about, that when you, maybe your children, the first thing that comes is, what if my children come to know and you lie? I would rather tell my children that even I am human. They grow up seeing you. Today, I am extremely proud to tell you that my children, who are between 25 and 30 years of age range, the way they have followed this path of truthfulness within the organizations where they have their own stamp of character around there. So once you get over this habit of hiding truth, trying to cover it up, remember one thing, you are actually making such an impact on your immediate family. You are producing men of character, people of character, whether they are children, wife, or anyone for that matter. And like I said, if you are looking for goodies, if you are looking for something better to happen in life, which you are convinced that if you say truth, talk truth, be truthful, will not happen. So you'll end up with telling lies. So fine, if so far as you are fine with it, everything is fine. So tomorrow when things start going wrong, don't blame someone else. Today, not having achieved certain things in life, today I am a much more satisfied man because I know that anyone who has known me over the last 42 years of my youth, my age, not youth, 20 years onwards, 41 years, you meet a man and let him say, yeah, he lies. Today, when I talk on this video like this, you can ask anyone who knows me, no, I don't. And that's what actually I ensure that anyone who is around me does that. Anything to end?
Sir, you said it very well. There's nothing that you will gain from being truthful, though, except for just one thing. That is, you'll be able to look yourself in the mirror,
Absolutely.
and you won't lower your gaze.
That's what
That's
what matters. That's what matters.
No,
If you
rather, sir, let's say it this way. Let's put it this way. It's what matters to certain people. For you, it may be different. So, but that's a logic that you have to decide for
you know
yourself.
when I say that's what matters is fine because maybe I follow that path.
Yeah.
But if it doesn't matter to you, perfectly okay. Carry on with whatever you're doing. But try. My only appeal is one: give yourself 1 month, just 1 month. Consciously follow this for 1 month. That come what may over my dead body, that I will not lie. That I'll be truthful. Try it out for 1 month.
And I am in your position, guys. If you're someone who's a young professional, someone in college, I have observed Colonel Pandey and I have learned from him. I have become much more hard and fast on this path of being truthful just by observing him, and I can assure you, it's liberating. It's very tough, but it is liberating to be truthful with everyone.
To conclude, my son, who exactly followed every teaching that I gave him, there are times I told my wife and I tell anyone who is around me that I am scared because this guy has gone 3 steps ahead of me when it comes to truthfulness. This is the power of truth. If there is anyone around you, they learn. So if you want to make an impact on people, if you want to make people of character, follow this path, give yourself a chance, try it out for 1 month. This was Colonel Sanjay Pandey and Shubhankar for you. Thank you very much and bye-bye.